know where our heart lies? Our heart lies inside the rib cage. It is placed between our lungs. It is a cone-shaped muscular organ and it measures the size of your fist. It is tilted slightly to the left side. Its muscles never stop working. In the heart, both oxygen-rich blood and carbon dioxide-rich blood flow. To prevent the mixing of the two types of blood, the heart is divided into chambers. On the left side lies the left upper chamber or left atrium. Below the left atrium lies the left ventricle. On the right side lies the right upper chamber or the right atrium. Below this chamber lies the right ventricle. The left and right sides are separated by a muscular wall called the septum. There are valves in the heart that prevent the backflow of blood. It means they do not allow the flow of blood in the reverse direction. Oxygen-rich blood passes through the left side, and the carbon dioxide-rich blood passes through the right side of the heart. How does blood flow through the heart? The deoxygenated blood comes into the right atrium. The right atrium expands. The right ventricle gets filled with blood and it expands. The atrium relaxes. The right ventricle now gets filled with blood. It contracts and the blood flows to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood gets purified the oxygen-rich or oxygenated blood enters the left atrium. The atrium gets filled with blood and it expands. The left atrium contracts and the blood enters the left ventricle. Left ventricle expands as it is filled with blood. Now, the left ventricle contracts and the blood is pumped out of the heart and into the body. In reality, both the left and right atria contract and expand together. Similarly, both the left and right ventricles contract and expand at the same time.